I believe retail is one of the lucrative business in the world. It's a great way to make money and serve your customers. With the rise of online shopping, retail stores are important than ever. With our knowledge and expertise, you can easily double or triple your net worth in just 60 minutes per day. 80% of your business happens only with 20% of your effort. We are experts to teach you what 20% efforts will help you to scale 80% business. I'm Nanju, the coach. I have 15 years of manufacturing and marketing experience and 17 years of retail experience. With my knowledge and expertise, you can easily double or triple your net worth and overcome any obstacle. Plus, I'm trained by some of the most successful mentors. I'm conducting a 4-day WhatsApp workshop, just 30 minutes per day. I will share with you 20% effort wala secret. I'm not doing this for money, but we need money to do this WhatsApp workshop. Our workshop comes with an offer you can't refuse. Workshop starts from 3rd February to 6th February, both in English and Hindi. Join fast, limited seats. See you at the workshop.